And thank you, Karen. Some football news now. And the local-based Reggae Boyz are back home following back-to-back defeats in Central America. Their latest defeat came on Tuesday when they were beaten 1-0 by Costa Rica in an international friendly in Costa Rica.
You have to be disappointed about the result, but I think performance-wise, we played pretty well. I think the guys did extremely well in some patches of the game. We managed ourselves well.
The Reggae Boyz also lost their Nations League qualifier 2-0 on Saturday to El Salvador in San Salvador, and which now leaves them in CONCACAF's second tier, even though they've qualified for the Gold Cup. According to goalkeeper Amal Knight, it's disappointing missing out on playing against the kingpins of the region.
League A, you play the kingpins of CONCACAF, the Mexico, Costa Rica, Honduras, USA. So we're a bit disappointed, but there's a lot of work to be done, and I know that the guys are really disappointed, and we're willing and waiting to do more and show Jamaica what we can do.